What's up, everybody? We're going to do a quick video today on two executive golf courses. Both are to the west of Fenny. We have Red Fox and we have Gray Fox. Red Fox is a little more north than Gray Fox. They're both in that little preserve over there. And then they are going to be between the Fenny Recreation Center, which they are right next to it already. They're to the west of it. And then Coleman, the Coleman area is going to be on the west side of those golf courses, or the new area that they're building in Coleman. So we're going to take a fly through there, and I guess that's all. Let's go. Alright, here we go. So we're going to take a look at a couple of the golf courses today. You got Gray Fox and you have Red Fox, which are right along Fenny little nature preserve area. You're taking a look at Gray Fox here. Gray Fox is a level 4 course between 956 to 1,842 yards, depending on which ones you tee off of. This one's through a lot of the trees, a little swampy. You can see it down there. The nature preserve is kind of off to the side here, bumps up along the nature preserve. It's a longer course than Red Fox. A lot more straightaways, and both of these courses are going to have a couple obstacles, and you can see that long fairway there right on the right hand to the right side of the screen there. A lot of people were out golfing, and beautiful weather, a little hot, but I'm sure down in the marshy areas with the wind blowing. Both of these are executive courses, so the executive courses are only able to be golfed by villagers, by the village's residents. Now as we come over the trees here, this is actually the Red Fox course that you're looking at with the clubhouse there. So Red Fox is actually a level 3. It's a little shorter than the Gray Fox. It's 982 yards to 1,566. A lot of water obstacles on this one. And you can see these gentlemen here are having a time here on the green. This one actually runs along the nature preserve, which is on the east side. And then you have also the Fenny Recreation Park is over on that side as well. So getting kind of close. I wanted to get a little close up to these guys here. But the Coleman area, you can see the dirt that's actually turned over. Coleman is on the west side of both of these courses, and they are doing the construction now for it. So you see a lot of that. They haven't really been doing too much in this area. I've been going down and checking up on it every once in a while, but they're not really getting a whole lot accomplished over there. I think they're focused more south of Bradford in that area. So there's those two golf areas. I'm going to actually show you guys where they are. Like I said, they are just west of Fenny in the Fenny Recreation Center. So this is actually the Red Fox area down here. And as we go, and you can see the Fenny area right straight ahead of us, and then the actual Fenny Recreation Center is to the right. That's the parking lot for it right there. There it is. So here's the clubhouse. Now this clubhouse for Red Fox and Gray Fox is actually between the two courses. And then you can see there's a cut right straight through the trees there where you can take the golf cart on down to the Gray Fox area. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up and a subscribe. Remember, if you don't ring the bell, you won't see my videos ever again, most likely. So if you are looking for more videos like this, ring the bell so you're notified when I drop a new hit. Alright everybody, have a great day and we'll see you next time.